Hi everyone. Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome to Social Connections with Modish, and I hope you all are doing well. And today I'm very pleased to have with me Dr. Deepika Krishna, and she's very well acclaimed for her work in the arena of cancer awareness in the country. And besides her work in cancer, she's also a specialist in gut in the science of food, gut and health and vitamins. And today and also she has opened her she has recently opened her new company by the name of Immunosciences Nutraceuticals, in which she is manufacturing certain health supplements which are totally organic and 100% botanical. Wait, let me show you. So I had received one of these supplements from her company by the name of Health Reset, and I have been personally using them over a month now, and I've experienced certain differences in my body, which are very a lot of benefits. Which are very beneficial. So I'm going to talk about all that, and the reason we took today's session is because I myself refrained a lot from taking any kind of supplements, owing to the reasons that it may affect, it may have any negative effect, or you know, we don't know the depth of what goes into those supplements, and etc. Many reasons. So I myself got a lot of clarity on those, clearing out those myths. And today's session is for all of you. It's gonna be benefiting to you why we should take supplements or not, and what age group can have those supplements, if diet plus supplements, what it can do to our body. So it's going to be beneficial to know us, to know a lot about these things, and for our health. And I can't wait to begin the session, so I'm going to join Dr. Deepika Krishna with me. Dr. Deepika, if you can add me. Okay, probably I can. um, so yes, so I'm going to add Dr. And we are going to have all these discussions with, and any questions you have, please post us
Fine.
live on the group. Yeah, hi
Hi,
Dr.
Mahima.
Krishna.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. Thank you so
So
much.
good to you. And
It's a lovely day today.
yeah, weather is really nice. I so
Yes.
I, you also looking really nice, and I'm so excited to begin this whole health information session for us and for our viewers, which can benefit all of us. And before we begin anything, you tell me how are you doing, and about your first thing, like I was talking about these supplements which I've been taking now. I wanted to know, like, you have been such a visionary and you have worked in cancer awareness. What is the reason that you came up with these health supplements, and how are they different, and what benefits can they do to the people? So
Mahima, I loved this question because yes, there was an inspiration why I came up with these things. So as you know, I'm a doctor and I am a specialist in immunity, gut health, and lifestyle medicines in particular. And apart from that, there are more aspects as well. And we have been dealing with cancer patients since now personally me more than a decade and a half. And yes, my family is into cancer care and cancer treatment. So I have seen the journey, and most of whatever case studies we used to do, it was mainly the diseases, the lifestyle diseases, the cancer or any chronic diseases. The main concern was, whenever we used to take the history, was lack of nutrition. And
okay.
as you know, Mahima, nutrition plays a major role. We have seen nutritionists, dietitian talk about that, if you want to lose weight, nutrition 70% hai, diet 70% hai, and 20% exercise hai. For
Yeah.
weight loss, they say. But, this is a myth. I mean, it's fact in the sense that, yes, it works. But overall in your body, for any kind of disease, any kind of, lifestyle modification, nutrition is the 80% part of it. Whether you want to stay away from any disease, what you want to be healthy, whether you want to be have a glowing skin, everything's rotate around the nutrition. And while I was studying, and we went through a lot of research, and all the medicines, the supplements which are there in the market, we did not find a very good quality product in India. So whenever I used to travel the US or anywhere outside, I used to carry pile up, and people do a lot of shopping for their clothes and jewelry. Yes, I do that. But apart from that, my luggage was filled with all kind of supplements, which
Yeah.
I tend to pick whatever goes with it. And the reason why supplement works, because the whatever food we eat, it's already reaching to us when the nutrition is depleted, meaning
Yeah.
that the soil where it is growing, it doesn't have that much nutrition. The process by the food of ours are growing, that doesn't have a lot of nutrition, that also lose 20% nutrition. And when it comes to us, through preservative, through a lot of pesticide, it overall depletes around 50 to 60% of the nutrition. And
Oh
then the
my.
process of cooking, that again depletes some nutrition. As we know, vitamin C and a lot of other things are depleted. So yes, I mean, we eat the food thinking that our plate is full with all kind of antioxidants, good fibers, all, and we try to feed our kids as well with the same thing. But the thing is that the nutrition is still missing there, because our food, what we think is full of nutrition rich, yes it is, but the source where we are getting is depleting the nutrition. So those process, and keeping myself I wanted to have good healthy food. So
Yeah.
those took me to develop a branch of a nutrition rich supplements, which is
Yeah.
potent, which is highly absorbable supplements, that motivated us to work towards this. And here we are in the market, and with great results. And and I'll quickly like to add that a lot of so we have fabulous testimonials. Our cancer patients, apart from cancer patient, people who are dealing with weight loss issues, thyroid issues, cholesterol issue, all kind of things, our supplements are working excellent.
Wow, yeah, I can also say about that. Everything has gone better, from sleep to, I think, my skin and my weight loss. I think everything is so evident. So I think I'll also give a lot of credit. Now, I had like a common layman, my mother asked, okay, so these are expensive a little bit. And my mother asked, so, what are those supplements which we get from the pharmacy, like a Zincovit tablet or from a vitamin B complex tablet? So they're pharmaceutical supplements, and these are
Yes.
nutraceutical supplements which
Yes.
are derived, I think, from a different source. Can you elaborate on that? So
So,
how did
pharmaceuticals meaning is the medicines which you get from your for particular disease, or which you are prescribed by the doctors out there. If you go
okay,
for, fever, crocin, these are examples of pharmaceuticals.
okay,
Nutraceuticals are nutrition-based supplements. They are
okay,
derived via botanicals, and they are basically herb-based nutrition waste, and the extract of the particular plant, or any ingredient which we eat in the food. So yes, the reason, I mean, I won't say it very expensive, but yes, it is towards the expensive side, because if you see the content, the ingredients which we have in the bottle, it is around 15 to 16 ingredients. And if
yeah,
you go for shopping for all of each ingredient, you might end up spending 5 times more than that. And also
yeah,
you won't be able to get the right source. So the
yeah,
idea of, yes, you can go to the market, buy the bestest quality of the supplements or the herbs if you have a good source. But a lot of products, a lot of herb, a lot of medicines, nutrition based supplements, they also come with lead and any other, lot of other toxic things as well,
yeah,
just to preserve that thing. We have limited expiry, we have limited shelf life. We always do not repeat the supplements. We are very careful while manufacturing it,
yeah,
and we check it. We also get, apart from the regular certification which one needs to get, we also get a third party tested done, meaning that our product have been checked by via the bestest laboratory in across India. So yes, we make sure, because we deal with patients straight away. I'm a doctor, and me and my team of doctors, we deal with patients straight away. We can't take any kind of risk with adding anything which doesn't help to the patient. So yes, looking at those things,
yeah.
we have made sure that there is no flaw, and that's why the price. Yeah.
Yeah, no. So I'm very, very happy because I think the reason I asked is because I got to know that how this raw materials are sourced from, specific raw materials are sourced from specific places, which are very, very like Sebulina in it and other raw materials that you talked about to me. So I think it, once you start using it, you would know the benefits, and that's why I think what costs is nothing if it does benefits to your body. So it's
Of
very,
course.
very.
Of course, I always say that, if you spend towards your health and knowledge, which is the bestest quality of expenditure you can do. I mean, rather than, yes, looking beautiful and, getting all the luxury and, buying things for you, pampering yourself is good. But then that only would be successful if you are healthy internally and, increasing your knowledge and health.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we have a little bit, a small amount of confusing questions which could, confuse the viewers. So I want to clear all of those. First is a customized diet vital even if we take good supplements for support?
So, Megha, I mean, customized diet is, I mean, I won't say that supplement is only a supplement. When we say supplement, you can't replace the food with supplement. Food
Yeah.
is necessary, nutrition food is necessary. But there is a thing between diet and nutrition, right? Diet is therapeutic. When you have certain problem, then you need to go to diet. Suppose you are stuck with your weight, suppose you have diabetes, suppose you are dealing with cholesterol, at that situation diet come on picture. The meaning of diet is that it should be continued between the 3 to 6 months to the max. But
Okay.
if you want to take care of your overall nutrition, supplement is a very good idea. And also getting a good nutritionist for yourself is a wonderful idea, because
Okay.
the nutritionist would talk to you, find out your liking, disliking, and also she will cover all the kind of nutrition which is required at that particular season and also particular to your body. So
Yeah.
nutrition is a very customized thing, where diet is just focused for certain disease or certain weight loss management. And
Okay.
also diet has been misleaded a lot, because as we know, whenever we talk about diet, it's like कि पतला होना है बंदी को तभी diet करना है. So it's not like that. Diet are for different, for weight gain, for weight loss, and different aspects. So we also have amazing team of nutritionists, was some of the top one in India presently. And we deal all kind of cases, like I said, diabetes, rheumatism, cholesterol, cancer. And apart from that, yes, weight loss, weight gain, and kids sports. And in fact, we have also genomic based nutrition, so
Oh, nice.
where you get your genomics test, and according to that, what suits you or what is your prognosis of disease. Suppose right now we are sitting, and anyone might have a diabetes or a cholesterol later in life. That can be diagnosed prior, and you can already modify your life, you can already modify your nutrition
Yeah.
help. So
Of
yes, nutrition. I mean, getting a personalized nutritional help is an excellent idea. But yes, one needs to go to visit to her frequent, and it needs to be changed at every 20 days, because again, you want all kind of antioxidant, all kind of vitamins, not that one kind of food in your body.
Okay, that's a great thing. I think my family history has a lot of sugar and diabetes, and before I think I'm progressing in my age, I should get probably a nutrition in consultation for. Yeah, I think
Absolutely.
the genome based. It sounded
Absolutely.
great.
Science is advanced. Everything is in papers. You can see what is going on in your body internally, even in the DNA. So it's very nice.
Yeah, we shall be visiting. I shall be visiting you soon. And secondly, the question was: this is babies and kids, don't like medications, and we can't get. How can we include the benefit of supplements to their bodies?
So, Megha, a lot of companies are coming up with liquid and powder-based supplements as well these days. So, liquids are, in fact, our company also manufactures some extracts, which is, the potent form, which are particularly for, people who doesn't want to digest or doesn't want to take. So, they come in drops. Those are the potent extract form and in drop form. And yes, for kids and for elderly, those who doesn't have a good digestion, those who doesn't want to swallow, and in fact, to the extremes where I take you, that people who are in cancer and having cancer therapies and under Ryle's tube, I mean they are having Ryle's tube, so those kind of patient who cannot swallow, for them it is very beneficial and it has equivalent benefit. And obviously one can trick the kids by adding them to the shakes or the food. So
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. So that's great. So we can, I mean, kids should also be given the supplements, babies and kids.
I would, again, like I said, supplement depend, not all the supplements, but
Fine.
yeah, derived, I mean some
Oh,
at all. And supplements are also should be given under the supervision of doctor or nutritionist. One should not go straight away to the market and pick a bottle ki Google mein kiya ye acha hai ye le lo. No, it should always be guided because it's going in your body, it is showing results in your body. So yes, one should go through a doctor or a nutritionist or somebody expert in that particular field.
okay. And which mode of receiving nutrients does our body find easier, like food or supplements?
Like I said, I mean, obviously supplements do have very potent form. They're manufactured in very potent form. But to find the right source is very important. One should not pick any bottle and have it. But food is irreplaceable. Your
Okay.
maximum should come from the food, and the deficiencies which are lacking in your food should be covered via the supplements or the the health
Yeah.
product.
Okay. And what extra care should be taken by a chronically ill person to boost their immunity? So, if a person is also like the way you said, like if, diet targets specific diseases also. So, for boosting immunity of ill people, and how can they? What should extra caution should be taken care of in case of chronically ill patients?
Okay, Mahima. So, firstly, a chronically ill patient should take care of their inflammation
Okay.
because eventually any kind of disease, there is a cause behind it, which is inflammation, right?
Okay.
So, a patient needs to take care that the inflammation level in his body doesn't arises. Of course, a proper doctor, a proper treatment is necessary. I mean, that we can't ignore because he's chronically ill. Acute still can, depend upon their, high immunity. But the chronic ill patient should go to the doctor and, take a proper medical guidance. And apart from that, they should watch their inflammation. They should watch their nutrition. They should watch what they're eating. So, yeah, should of course have a lot of antioxidants because antioxidants, they keep your inflammation down. So very simple judgment to make, and what is antioxidants, all the colorful fruits and vegetables, starting from the brighter the color, the more antioxidant it has. Orange, green, purple, all these fruits, vegetables, they are antioxidant rich. So adding these things in your body, having a lot of good source of liquids, not excessive water, yes water, but not too much water. I mean, do not exceed 7 to 8 glasses of water, so then you will wash off your nutrition. Taking care of your gut, adding good probiotics also takes care of your inflammation in the gut. If you have good pre and probiotics, the gut is being taken care. So yes, there are 2-3 pointers like this, but it all should be done under a medical supervision.
Okay, great. And so we just think that having better immunity helps us to fight against cold and flus. But as you said, does it also help us with these malicious diseases like cancer and other big diseases like having a better immunity? Does that also means we are fighting against these diseases?
Oh yes, Megha, absolutely. It does help with the, immunity is everything. It does take care of your health in generic. If you doesn't have anything genetic, one should maintain the immunity. In fact, if taking care of the immunity also takes care of your genetic diseases, it can delay the genetic disease. It can change the genetic profile as well. So,
Okay.
we have huge researches and studies speaking about these things. So yes, I mean, immunity is something, which develops slowly and gradually, and it's a process, it's a journey. So yes.
Okay, so building your immunity or working on yourself can also modify genetic makeup to a certain extent.
Absolutely.
Okay, and there is a question by Prerna. She's saying for probiotics, is Enterogemina better or Yakult, or there is anything else
And
that you want?
Gemini is still better. I mean, there are a lot of probiotics in the market. And Gemini is still better, but you can also find some as well. I mean, if you find more there. But Yakult is, I don't suggest Yakult because it has got a lot of sugar as well in it. So yes, I mean, Yakult, obviously it's a good product, but it has got too much of sugar. If you want to have that much sugar in your body, you can go ahead and have Yakult as well.
Okay. So, my next question would be: can a normal, healthy adult with no deficiencies but can have low immunity?
A normal, healthy individual with no deficiencies.
Can he have, or can he or she have low immunity? I mean, how do you know your
Not
immunity?
really. If a person is normal, healthy, and deals with the cold and cough in general, in regular, the seasonal the diseases very well, the immunity should of that person should be.
Okay.
Yeah, because when we have low immunity, it shows somehow. You feel weak, you feel lack of nutrition, you feel you catch diseases very quickly, you tend to get upset stomach most of the time. You tend to get a lot of headache or under the weather all the time. These kind of things. Obviously you getting understand you that those things make you understand that you have bit of immunity issue. But if you don't have any kind of problem ever, so yes, the immunity is absolutely perfect.
Okay, so we have one personal question also. So Garima is asking, what are the prebiotics that we can include in our diet? So,
uh so firstly we have to understand between the difference between the pre and the probiotics. So the prebiotics are the biotic the which are the food for the bacteria. So our gut has lot of bacteria in our stomach. They are good and they are bad bacteria, and they talk to each other, and whoever wins takes your gut, in overall. So the prebiotics are mainly fiber rich food, which
okay,
are for the bacteria, for the good bacteria. So we want to keep our good bacteria happy. We want to keep our good bacteria grow. So that's why we have to have good fiber rich food. So when we talk about fiber, sweet potatoes and cold potatoes cut and cold, made it cold and have it cold. Yeah, these kind of, and
okay,
berries. Then there are selenium husk, and I mean there are all the food which are rich in fiber.
fine. Okay,
Exactly. And broccoli, sprouts, I mean these are very good fiber rich food. So these are a prebiotic. You can also have something from the market, from a good source of supplement, which are these days you get a lot of fiber mix, which you can have it before your food. And yeah, and then we talk about, if we're talking about the sorry, pre five and pro, I'm sorry. So
yeah,
about probiotic, yeah. So if we talk about the probiotics are the bacteria itself. So
okay,
generally the fermented food, like your yogurt, idli, dosa, they have got live bacteria. So those are your gut bacteria that will help your bacteria. So it's very simple to understand. Prebiotics are the bacteria for the food for the bacteria, and probiotics are the bacteria itself. So yes, adding things like kimchi, adding kefir, adding dosa, idli, in these kind of food are very good to enhance your good healthy bacteria.
okay. That's great. I think we have got all our answers. And there is another question by someone who is saying, can you suggest some good herbal supplements for boosting immunity? So there they are. I
Oh
think,
yes, we just started our conversation with this. Please go ahead and we
and
are at Immunosciences website. We are there at Amazon, Flipkart, and if you want a box personally, you can always DM. So yes, health reset from Immunosciences is absolutely wonderful to boost immunity, and apart from your regular food, diet, and nutrition guidance.
And this can be taken by any age group or and any
So
gender.
it's good to, I mean, yes, I mean, it's good to
Adult.
have, yeah, from 6 years to depending upon 70, 75, 80 years, one can obviously have, in fact, 90 years as well. But, for elderly, I would say that, we require some kind of guidance when you take these supplements.
Yeah, so I think she has got her answer. So, and in case all of you viewers who have just joining us, we will be posting this live session on our Modish Instagram IGTV channel. And I think this clearly told us a little bit about your supplements, and we'll be posting the link to her page as well, where you can order these supplements, and they're also available on Amazon, Flipkart. And please go through the session about why these supplements are vital to our healthy body and healthy living. And Dr. Deepika, you are so busy, and thank you so much for taking out your time to talk to us and give us the insights on supplements. Yeah, this was very beneficial for us, and I'm sure for the viewers. Thank you so much for
Thank
speaking
you
to us.
so much. Thank you, Mama. Same here. Thank you. Take care.
All right, thank you.